spells lack. And if I take the L off, it's an act. But reminiscent of thoughts, when I shut my eyes, all I see is the shine of light in my eyes. But that doesn't mean that what I see isn't black. So then define black in love as that was once a topic that I missed, but nonetheless, it came from above as I realized deep within ourselves it seemingly seems black. Black. Sister girl told me that she needs me to react on that black thought that she had, and as I think about the thoughts that I have, sometimes they are whack, they are black, they lack, and sometimes they make me react with the acts that I can't even expound on this microphone, but I try to stand my ground and my eyes closed, seeing clearly. Why is it that I see so clearly in the midst of darkness? No lights to blind me. Sometimes the light is so blinding I can't see. But I realize that it is what it is as I allow it to be. Maybe I need to position the light clearly so that the black in me can be seen. But then what is that? So I took away all the letters and left the K. And that doesn't mean that it's okay with the K, because I need the C, I need the A, I need the L, I need the B. In its definition of me, before the world was formed, it was black. But yet him that be, the overseer, saw all that he see, and then he even made the sea. But is it the same sea that we see with when it's black? The lights went out in the east, and that's why I was almost late, April. But do you understand what it is I'm saying? I had the lights before me, and even though it was black, I could see because I had light, baby. So then it means then that light is defined with the black. As our free mind to you, no style that I produce is just the free mind that I just explode in time with explosion. Do you realize that before the bang, it's black? But then the light happens. The residue, it's black. Evidence of heat that was there. You talk about fire, sister girl, but then that means it's black. Look upon diamonds. When they come out of the ground, they usually have a black residue. But then you're the ones that define what it is to you, if you know how to mind or to black. So, using the word saint from sister girl, I know not the name, but all I know is that one might say that she is black. I use the word not to be in lack, nor even to act. She didn't ask for the definition, just after I expound on the word, and that's what I'm doing with a black microphone, with black hair that's gone. It's as if though the word black dropped the beat from my hair, so now it's black. Black, therefore, as I give my number one, in the number two moment, asking for number three. Is anybody willing? Black.